All right, number 11. So we're doing it again. We're going to make a table about the slope of the secant lines and see what that says about the slope of the tangent line. So I'm just going to remind you of the formula, and we're going to try to work a little bit more quickly now that we've seen it a few times. So number 11, the formula that we have, or the equation, we have f of x is equal to 20x to the third minus x. Okay, so here's the going rate. We have f of b, so some ordered pair, minus f of a, and then we're going to divide by b minus a. So we'll get two x values, two y values. So I'm going to plug this into the calculator, and then we'll start dividing those numbers. So the trend has been, we divide by 1, and then either it's a 0.5 and then 0.1, 0.01, so forth and so on, which I'll go ahead and try to set those up. We'll just say it's 0.5, 0.1, 0.01, and then 0.001. Or it could be a 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, and so forth. So these are going to be our divisors. We'll find out the difference in those numerators and place those here, and then we will evaluate these slopes. So I'm going to pull up the calculator. We're going to go to y equal, turn it on, go to y equal. We're going to clear out the previous equation. We're going to type 20, it's not working, 20x to the third minus x. We'll go ahead and hit graph, and we're going to trace, and then I'll start inputting these values. So the y value at 2, 158, minus the y value at 1 is 19, and that also tells me that I'm going to be subtracting 19 every time, because usually we're approaching the smaller value. So in this case it will be 1, so we're starting from 2 and working closer to 1. That is the going pattern that we've seen. So if I do 158 minus 19, 158 19 should give us 147 maybe, minus 19, 139, yep, 88. So we divide by 1, we get 139, it's positive. And then it's 0.5, so this time we're going to go back to our graph, we're going to hit trace, and this time we're going to type in 1.5. That gives us 66. And then the next one would be a 1.1. And that gives us 2552. Next one would be 1.01. 1959,602. And then the last one would give us a 1.001. And that will give us 19,05906. Okay. So now we can compute all of these values. So we do 66 minus 19, 45, 47, and divide by 0.5. It gives us 94. 25.52 and subtract 19. This gives us 6.52. We divide by 0.1. That gives us 65.2. When we do the 19.59602 and subtract the 19 and we divide by 0.01 this time, that gives us 59,602. And then the last value we do 19.5906. Subtract 19, and then we divide by 0.001. We get 59.06. So we can see these numbers are decreasing, getting closer to 59, starts slowing down. And so we would say that our slope would be 59.